Trying to write notes? Here's how to navigate by words using Hable and rotor function. Picture this, you're typing out a sentence in the Notes app, like "Make me awesome."
Make me awesome.
You've got the cursor on the first character, ready to conquer the digital realm.
Insertion points at start.
Now, to scroll past the sentence by words, we need some magic. Hold dots 7 and tap dots 5 and 6.
Edit. Misspelled words. Characters. Words.
You've selected the Words and Rotor option. With the Words option selected, let's navigate like true digital warriors. To go forward to the next word, hold dot 7 and give dot 6 a gentle tap.
Make.
Want to go even further? Just repeat the action.
Me. Awesome. Make. Me. Awesome. Make. Me. Awesome. Make. Me. Awesome.
But what about going back a word? We've got a reverse move for you. Hold dot 6 this time and tap dot 7.
Awesome. Me. Make.
With Hable and Rotor, navigating by words, characters, sentences, or whatever you fancy becomes a piece of cake.